So once you install Power BI into your laptop and double click on the Power BI icon, you will have this kind of a window that will get opened. Now, initially, you might get a bit overwhelmed by looking at a lot of options, but don't worry. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to guide you in each and every step. All you need to do is that you need to just follow the steps along with me. So, the first thing that we need to see is how to import data, right? So we have an option of import data, which is here. I'll just click on it because my data is in Excel. So I am going to import data from Excel. So I have this global superstore 2016, which is the data that I am going to install. So I'll just click on it and then I'll just open it. So once I open this data, it will load for some period of time and it can show you the various sheets that are there in that particular document. So right now, for simplicity purpose, I am just taking one document, that is one sheet. You can actually select all of them and upload the data. But right now, our main focus is to analyze the data which is related to 2023. So I'll just select 2023 and there's an option called load data. So load data will help us load the data in my Power BI tool. So I'll just click on load data. So it will take some time to load and it will get loaded. Now, once the data is loaded, you can see at the extreme right, you will have a data tab. And under data tab, we have the same sheet which we selected in the form of 2023. Now, 2023, if I just click on this, I will have the various columns, the various fields that are there in that Excel sheet. Clear? Now, guys, pay attention. Right now, all the options that are there at the top, they are of no use for all of us. Right now, our main focus is to see all these options which are there at the right hand side and which are there at the left hand side as well. Right? So right now, when I uploaded my data under data tab, I have all the fields reflected here. So this is the data that I have captured from an Excel sheet. Now comes one more tab, which is visualization. This is very important tab. Why? Because all the visuals will get created with the help of this visualization tab, right? And then we have filters. Filters we are going to see in a later stage of the session. Right now, we are more focused about visualization and data to start off. Then in the left side, if you can see right now, we are in report view. This is called report view. So all the dashboard that you are going to make, it will be made on report view. Then we have table view. So table view helps us see the entire data that I have in my Excel sheet. Clear? So this is a table view. So this is the same table view for our Excel sheet. Now we have model view. Right now, we don't have anything to do with the model view because model view is used when you have more than one sheets of data. So we will just go back to report view